Hello and welcome to my monthly advice for Level 1 candidates. We have about 4 weeks left before the exam window opens. At this stage, you need to be wrapping up your study of the curriculum. If you've not done so already, I would strongly emphasize that you do so within a week so that you have at least 3 weeks at the end for review and practice. Perhaps you can use IFT's high yield course to accelerate your studies. If you have finished the curriculum, then it makes sense for you to use the IFT high yield course to revise material that you might be forgetting. The high yield course focuses on the most testable parts of the curriculum. This course includes videos, notes, a formula sheet, and a high-yield question bank. But the key activity at this stage is practice. You must do as much practice as possible between now and your exam. If you haven't done so already, do all the MCQ-based questions in the curriculum. If you want, you can skip the questions in the curriculum that are not MCQ-based. Once you've done all the MCQ questions in the curriculum, then go to the CFA Institute website and do all the assessments that are available on that website. These assessments are in MCQ format, so that should help you. The CFA Institute also makes mock exams available. There are 3 mock exams. If you feel you are somewhat ready, then do one mock exam now. That will give you a sense for where you stand. After taking this mock exam, you will know better where your strengths and weaknesses are, and then you can cater your studies and your practice accordingly. Once you've addressed your weaknesses, take the second mock exam, and then about 1 week before the actual exam, take your third mock exam. So the larger point here is that the CFA Institute makes lots of questions available between the curriculum and online assessments and mock exams, and these are questions that you must do before your exam. If you have done these questions and you have additional time, then you should also use IFT practice questions. IFT offers questions at different levels. If you need practice at a reading level, then you can work through our question bank. If you want to practice at a topic level, then you can work through our topic exams. And if you want overall practice, then you can work through our mock exams. Like the CFA Institute, we also offer 3 full-length mock exams. So as you might have gathered, between CFA Institute questions and IFT questions, you have a lot of practice available. However, I want to emphasize that if your time is limited, do the CFA Institute material first, and then if you have time, work through IFT practice questions. That is it for now. Best of luck with your studies.